Wellness Center.
God were to come in front of any woman and ask, "What do you want?" she would most probably reply, "Health and happiness for my husband, children and elders." If God were to then ask her, "What do you want for yourself?" she would probably reply saying, "Can you make me look younger?" Ji haan, it is every woman's inner desire to look as young as she can. Unfortunately, her hectic lifestyle as a homemaker or career woman plus housewife makes it tough for her to maintain her looks. And one of the first places which shows signs of aging is the skin on the face. See these pictures of the same person, then and now, and you will understand what we are saying. No wonder that the market is flooded with products offering anti-aging benefits. Magar afsos, our scientists in Elements Wellness have studied many of these products and found them not up to the mark to provide women what they actually need. They either use poor quality ingredients or they don't use the right ingredients for anti-aging benefits. Which is why we at Elements Wellness decided to take action and bring to the women of today a product that enables them to age in a beautiful and graceful manner. The result is an innovative product called Elements Wellness EGA 12, a day protection cream and a night repair formula working in partnership with each other. These two products contain very rare and exclusive ingredients like mineral and herbo, vitamin complex and natural oil complex. In addition, the day protection cream has polypeptide, hyaluronate and UV sunscreens, while the night repair cream has Davila rugosa leaves and tri-nature derived complex for special action during the night. Leading products in the market have only one active, while EGA 12 range has 8 actives. So what are the anti-aging benefits of these products? एक हो तो बताएं. Each of the EGA 12 products offers great benefits to the skin, like protection from loose, dehydrated, uneven and undernourished skin, while managing wrinkles, elasticity of skin, age spots and skin pores. और क्या चाहिए? Please make sure that for best results, you use Elements Wellness EGA 12 Day Protection Cream along with the Night Repair Cream. Elements Wellness EGA 12 Day and Night Creams. अपनी उम्र को बांध के रखिए.